Hello, I'm Dr. Ford, and today we're going to talk about the myth that beauty and health are the same. Sometimes we interchange beauty and health. So beauty is this subjective definition of something that you find attractive or pleasing. Health is also very subjective, where it can be defined objectively, but a lot of times people talk about feeling healthy, and then they define it by objective measures or numbers or scales or labs or whatever. And so people feel healthy in different stages of their life. People feel beautiful. And beauty and health are not the same. Feeling healthy and feeling beautiful can feel the same, but they're not. And so you can feel beauty at any stage of health. And you can feel healthy at any type of beauty. And so sometimes when people say, I want to feel good in my body, well, what's good? What does that mean? What are you looking for? What are you wanting to feel? And that's the same with beauty. A lot of times women are objectified in their beauty and makeup and their body size and their face and all these different things. Society can dictate how beauty shows up for them. The same thing can go for health. A lot of times people assume what you see is what you get when it comes to health, but that doesn't work that way. A lot of times there's silent killers, if you will, like cholesterol or different things that you don't feel that's happening in your body. And that's even up for debate right now. And so science is ever evolving. We know way more than we did in the 1950s. Yet we still use a lot of the same parameters from the 1980s when it comes to height and weight. And that's dictating our health, which then can make us not feel very beautiful. For instance, the Metropolitan Life height and weight scales, those were made in the 80s, and we're still using them. They haven't been quite updated, and that can make people feel not beautiful. Beauty and health are very, very different, and it's important to understand what you're trying to feel with those different things and what you're trying to obtain with those different concepts. They're very subjective, and if you need some clarity on help figuring them out, 2 questions. What am I wanting to feel and what am I wanting to have? Those are great 2 questions that will get you kickstarted. Hope that helps.